Yeah. Hi, Sai Kiran.
Hi, Sushmita.
Yeah. Yeah. Shall we start the interview?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Now I'll start with Python. So,
Okay.
can you please explain me the built-in data types in Python?
Um, yeah, Python has built-in data types to store different kinds of data. Uh, in that, some common ones are like integers for numbers, strings are for text, and lists for order data, tuples for fixed data, and set for unique values, and dictionaries for key value pairs.
Yeah. Okay. So, so can you please explain me how we can create those?
Okay. Do you want me to write and show?
Yeah. Yes, please. So, can you please share your screen?
Is it?
Yeah. It is visible.
So for basic list, we'll take numbers. Here we are printing numbers. Print So
Yeah.
this is how we print the numbers. Uh, I will write with like different data types now. We'll take like my list. We'll take one integer and one is string and one is boolean. So now I will print this. Print print my list.
Please change the true as a T captain.
Okay. This here we printed like one number on string and one is decimal and boolean. This is how we work.
Yeah, okay. So you have the basic knowledge of built-in data types. So I'll go with next question. So what is generator
Okay.
in Python?
Mm, a generator is like a function that returns the values one by one instead of all at a once. It uses like yield keyword and helps to save your memory.
Yeah, okay. So can you please write any example for this?
Yes. Uh, Define my generator. So I'll take yield one, yield two, three. So we take generator as so now we print next then it prints one, then next then it prints two, then next generator it prints three. So this is how works. First step we are defining a generators function
Okay.
because it uses the yield. Yield is does not return a stop the function. It pauses the function and save its a state.
Yeah, okay.
So next we are creating a generator object here. Uh, this function is not an executor. It returns the it returns only the generator object. So next, first we are printing the next gen means we are printing yield one. Next we are printing yield two. Next we are printing yield three.
Okay. So can you please explain me like multi-threading? What is multi-threading and what is multi-processing?
Yes. Multi-threading means running multiple threads in one program at a same time. Coming to multi-processing means it runs a multiple process using different CPU cores. Multi-threading is good for input and output tasks, and multi-processing is good for CPU heavy tasks.
Yeah, okay. So, uh, do you have any idea of OOPS concepts, right?
Yes.
So, can you please explain me what is polymorphism?
Um, Basically, polymorphism is only one of the concept in the OOPS. It means the same function name can work in different ways for different data types.
Yeah, okay. So, any example?
Yeah, sure. I will take class animal. I will now define a sound as a self. Then I will print dog animal makes a sound. Then I will take another class as a dog animal define sound. Sound self dog box. Then I will next I will define a class animal name as cat animal sound. Then print Cat meows.
Mhm.
Mm. Dog. Cat. So, birds. Animals.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. So, what is a list comprehension?
List. List comprehension is like actually in list comprehension in Python is a uh, short and simple way to create a list using a single line of code. It's easier to read than using loops.
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
Can you please write any example for this?
Yeah, I will try. So when writing basically take some numbers, then I squares x into x for a x in numbers will bring squares here. Number is not defined. This is how.
Yeah, okay. So that's all about Python. We'll move to pandas and NumPy. So, what is
Okay.
pandas is used for? What is the use of
Um,
pandas?
Actually, pandas are basically used to for data analysis and data manipulation. It helps us to work with the tables like rows and columns and make data handling easy.
Yeah, okay. And how can you read the CSV files?
Uh, we use a method like the read slash CSV function. Read the CSV files in a data frame D. So I will show
Yeah, please.
df dot pd dot data frame. Here we have to give the file name file.csv. Hello.
Yeah, okay. But here you're creating
Sorry,
the
I
data
think
frame.
so. pd dot read csv.
Yeah, okay. So, do you know how to group the data? Oh, like
Yes.
grouping the data.
Um, for grouping a data, we group using a group by function. It helps us to organize the database on a column.
Yeah, okay. So, what are the access parameters?
Access parameters. Access parameters is like whether the operation is done on row wise or a column wise. Actually, access 0 means it works on a column wise. When access is 1, it means it works on a row wise.
Yeah, okay. So, what projects you have done?
Mm. Actually, I worked on a two projects. One is LLM chatbot and one is RAG.
Yeah, okay. So, can you please show me those files, how you worked on it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you can explain me like just what is
Sure.
what.
First, I will open my LLM chatbot.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Are you able to see my VS
Yeah,
Code?
yeah.
Actually, I developed this. For front end, I use like Streamlit. For back end, I use like LangChain, LangGraph, and .env files. Actually, chatbot, LLM chatbot, as we know, LLM means large language models. In my project, I built a project chatbot using LLMs. Uh, this is, as we know, this is AI system that generates response like based on the knowledge it learned during the training. Uh, in sometimes it gives a hallucinate answers when data is not found, and sometimes it gives a wrong answers perfectly. Uh, can I show how it works by
Yeah, okay.
running this? I'm not able to type here. It's showing remaining time. How to close this?
You can close this.
So no, this recording will stop. Actually, I run in last 10 minutes back. I will show them. This is my chatbot LLM.
Yeah, okay.
I will ask like question, what is Java? It gives answers based on already trained.
So may I know what is this in this left side?
Sorry.
Left side. These my conversations, new chat. What will happen if
Uh,
I?
this is called thread IDs. When we open new chat, it stores like in these sections like as a thread IDs. When we open new chat, it's like this
Okay.
is already stored.
Yeah, okay.
Then coming to RAG files. Actually, RAG works on what the documents we give.
Okay.
As we know, RAG is like retrieval augmented generation. So in RAG document, I gave about me. So by running, this gives only from the documents only. We'll ask what is the Sai Kiran profession. In document, I gave this now. See here. No, here I gave my details like I'm working as a AML engineer. So I will ask now out of document question,
Okay.
like explain me about Python. It's used like I apologize, but the provided documents on that don't contain any information about Python. These documents. So this is how RAG works. It gives answers from only accurate answers using our documents.
Okay, I got it. So is there any chance in RAG to hallucination for the LL?
Mm.
Is there any chance?
No, I think so.
Yeah, okay. So so what is the difference between normal chatbot and RAG chatbot?
Actually, LLM chatbot is already, it gives answers from all what it trained. RAG is works like what the documents we give.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Shrita.
Thank you, Kiran.